Okay, welcome to video number 13 of chapter 2 series. Now, in this video, we are going to continue examples. First example for today, that is from exercise 2.9. Okay, it is from your exercise. What is the question? A sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform CHCl3, that is chloroform, supposed to be carcinogen. The level of contamination was found 15 ppm. So what is to be found out? First, express this in percentage weight by weight, and second one, determine the molality. So first, understand the question. What is the question? Drinking water is there, in that a carcinogen. What is carcinogen? The compound which is responsible for cancer. Okay, એની અંદર કાર્સિનોજન છે જેનાથી કેન્સર થઈ શકે, ક્લોરોફોર્મ. How much contamination is there? 15 ppm. Now you have to find out, you have to convert this ppm into percentage weight by weight as well as molality. આ 15 ppm છે એનું તમારે કન્વર્ઝન કરવાનું છે percentage weight by weight માં અને મોલાલિટીમાં. So what is given here? 1.5 ppm of chloroform, that is given to you. What do you mean by ppm? ppm, that is parts per million. And what do you mean by that? Milligram per liter of solvent. Okay, milligram of solute per liter of solvent. આ ppm ની definition છે. Okay, again remember this very carefully. Milligram per liter, ppm. Okay, so what do you mean by 15 ppm? It means that 15 milligrams in 1000 ml of water. Now density of water is 1, so you can take 1000 ml is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so here you can see 15 milligram, that is weight of solute here, and 1000 gram of water, that is weight of solvent. Okay, બંનેનું weight મળી ગયું. So first you have to find out percentage weight by weight. So what is percentage weight by weight? Weight of solute divided by total weight into 100. Now weight of solute is in milligram, so 15 into 10 raised to minus 3, it will be 0.015. Okay, so 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 I have written here. Now in denominator you have to write down 1000 plus 15 into 0.10 raised to minus 3, that is 1000 plus 0.0115. Now you can see the clear difference between these two. This 0.015 is very less value than 1000, so I am neglecting this. Okay, that's why I have not written it here. I am neglecting this. So only 1000 here into 100. Now 1000 I can write 10 raised to 3 here. 10 raised to 3, if that goes on upward side it will be minus 3. So 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 3, it will be 10 raised to minus 6 into 100 as such. So you will get 15 into 10 raised to minus 4. So 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 percentage weight by weight. Okay, now what is the second unit you want to derive? Molality. Formula for molality is 1000 into weight of solid divided by molecular mass into weight of solvent. 1000, that is as such. Here I have written weight of solute, that is 1.5 15 into 10 raised to minus 3, 15 milligrams. So 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 divide by molecular mass of chloroform. Chloroform ने फॉर्मूला होता है CHCl3. Atomic mass for carbon is 12, hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5. By that you can derive the molecular mass. You will get 119.5 into weight of solvent, that is 1000. By solving this you will get 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 4 molality. Okay, so this is 2.9 of your exercise. Now this much examples, in text examples plus exercise examples, that was from units of concentration. Now the next topic was Henry's law. Now we will calculate some examples using Henry's law. What was Henry's law? Henry's law was P is equal to KH into X, where KH is Henry's constant, X is mole fraction of solute. Okay, mole fraction of solute, and P is pressure. So we are going to use this equation for examples now. So first example, that is in text question number 2.6. What is the question? Read it here. H2S gas is toxic and rotten egg smell. H2S gas ની property છે. If solubility at STP is 0.195, small m is written here, molar, calculate Henry's constant. Again આપેલું શું છે? Solubility at STP, standard temperature and pressure, is given to you. Solubility કેટલી છે? 0.195 molar. Small m means molar. So you have to calculate the Henry's constant. KH ની value find out કરવાની છે. So here I have written what is given here, STP. So standard temperature and pressure. What is standard pressure? 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere converted into bar, 0.987 bar. Okay, that is standard pressure. Any value याद रखनी पड़े, you will not get in your paper. Another thing, what is given here, 0.195 small m means 0.195 molality. Now what do you mean by that? 0.195 molar means in 1000 gram of water there is 0.195 moles of solute. 1000 ग्राम वाटर ની અંદર 0.195 moles of solute છે. So you have grams of solvent here and moles of solute. So mass of water is equal to 1000 gram, moles of water, that is 1000 divided by 18, 55.55 moles. Moles of solute, that is 0.195. I have written here. So mole fraction of solute is equal to, what is mole fraction now? Mole fraction of H2S is equal to moles of H2S divided by total moles. Moles of H2S, that is 0.195 divided by 0.195 plus 55.55. By solving this you will get 0.0035. That is the mole fraction. Now this is the Henry's equation. Pressure, you have that in question only. Standard pressure, that is 0.987 bar. KH value we want to find out. Mole fraction we find out that 0.0035. So by solving this equation you will get KH is equal to 82 bar. Okay, so this is the example number 2.6. Now Example number 2.7 from your in-text question. What is the question first? Henry's constant for carbon dioxide in water is 1.67 into 10 raised to 8 at 298 Kelvin. Calculate quantity of carbon dioxide in 500 ml of soda water when packed under 2.5 atmosphere carbon dioxide pressure. Okay, what is given here? Henry's constant is given KH 1.67 into 10 raised to 8 Pascal. Pressure of carbon dioxide, CO2 pressure of carbon dioxide, that is given 2.5 atmosphere. So both unit is different here. So I am converting atmosphere into Pascal. How will you convert that? Multiplied the given value by 1.013 into 10 raised to 5. So you will get 2.533 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Okay. Now, what is the volume of water that is given to you? 500 ml. So you can write 500 ml water is equal to 500 grams of water. Okay. This much value we have in question. Now this is Henry's law. P is equal to KH into X. X, that is mole fraction of solute. Now pressure is given to you, mole fraction we want to find out, KH is given to you. So X is equal to P divided by KH. Pressure is given to you 2.533 into 10 raised to 5. Here I have written KH value, that is 1.67 into 10 raised to 8. So here I have written that value. By dividing this, you will get 0.00152 mole fraction. Okay, so mole fraction is equal to 0.00152. Now what is the formula for mole fraction? Mole fraction is equal to moles of solute, that is CO2 here, divided by total moles. So here I have written small n for moles. Moles of carbon dioxide plus moles of water, total moles. Now neglect moles of carbon dioxide from denominator. નીચેમાંથી જ ખાલી મોલ્સ ઓફ કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડને નિગ્લેક્ટ કરવાના, આગળ બી કીધું છે થિયરીમાં. સો મોલ ફ્રેક્શન ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ મોલ્સ ઓફ કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ ડિવાઇડ બાય મોલ્સ ઓફ વોટર. Now we don't have moles of water or moles of carbon dioxide, but we have mole fraction that we find out 0.00152. But and we have weight of water here, so we can derive moles of water here. So moles of water is equal to 500 divided by 18. You will get 27.78 moles. So mole fraction is equal to moles of carbon dioxide divided by 27.78. Mole fraction, that is 0.00152, is equal to moles of carbon dioxide divided by 27.78. So by multiplying these two, you will get moles of carbon dioxide, that is 0.042 moles. Now what is the formula for moles of carbon dioxide? Mass of carbon dioxide divided by molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Okay, that is equal to 0.042. Now mass of carbon dioxide, that we don't know, but molecular mass of carbon dioxide, that we know. Carbon, that is 12 number, oxygen, that is 16 number, you will get 44. So mass of carbon dioxide divided by 44 is equal to 0.042. Mass of carbon dioxide, that you will get by multiplying these two. 1.848 grams. Okay, so this is the example number 2.7 from your in-text question. Okay, that's it for today.